Here is a remake video of the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Europa ceiling fan in my other grandparents' house, my dad's side of the family. So, this is a pretty rare Harbor Breeze fan. I'm not so sure what year this is from, but this was bought at a garage sale, and it replaced a 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark 3 that was in here before. And it's got two burnt-out light bulbs on it. But yeah, it's got the mesh spotlight kit, the same type that my Gulf Coast Dixie Belle had. It's got the Harbor Breeze logo right here. And it's got reversible light to, it's supposed to be, well, I've seen like pictures of this with bleached oak on the other side, but this just has white on both sides. So yeah, they're actually not non-reversible blades, just white on both sides. And it's got Harbor Breeze on the poachings right here. It's got a very unique design to it as well. And it's not exactly a very fast ceiling fan, because, you know, it is just a Harbor Breeze fan with a 153 motor, but it's very silent. So we'll go turn on low speed now. So yeah, it's a very quiet ceiling fan. No motor noise from this at all, actually. Here's the light kit on it. And we'll get a top view of that right there. And here it is on medium speed. It's got a pretty good medium speed to it as well. And it is a pretty wobbly fan, but it's like not too bad though. And actually, despite not being that fast, it actually blows a very good amount of air. This is it for high speed. Alright. Here's the light on again. And now we'll go turn it off. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.